missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a Christmas video. As you can just tell by our dramatic intro, we're gonna be decorating my Christmas tree today. I have like one little decoration because I was too impatient and I opened up the package. But let me just show you what I got. So I got this packet of like 40 ornaments from, where'd I go? Christmas tree shop with my mom. It's literally $6. Like Amazon was going crazy for their balls and stuff. I'm just like, oh, excuse me. And then the shipping time was crazy, so got these real cute. And then as you can see by my PJs, we're doing flannel. So here's the skirt. It was already on, but I was cleaning stuff, you know, gotta get ready for the video. So I'm about to put that back on. Then I got a little bit of this from Michael's, like, you know, ribbon or whatever. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I don't know, maybe decorations, but I didn't really get a star, so do a little something with this. And hooks, of course. Almost forgot that until my mom told me. And then I got these really cute flowers. They came in a set of 12. But let me show you. They're so cute. Like my mom does this all the time. She'll get like different colored ones, like pink, white, whatever like decorations she's kind of going with. But look how cute it comes with that. I'm like, matching. So we're gonna see how we display those. And then this might be, oh, this is the pillowcases for the pillows over there. You know, gotta go all with the flannel. We always going all out. And then this is my table runner. I'm about to switch mine out. I'm so excited. But we all Christmas in here. You know, we got the Christmas scents because we got the fake tree, you know. I thought I almost put it out like twice. Okay, yeah, but you know, the Christmas scents here. Oh, let me show you. Hold on. We have a guest star over here today. My oh, there you go. See, got the matching PJs. So he's gonna be helping me, basically doing all the decorations because I hate it. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just joking. I'll help. But say hi.
Hi.
Yes, this is him. This is who helps all the time. He's in the background. Was in the background in my drunk Q&A video. Really cute little clips in there if you want to watch that video. Okay, well, let me show you the rest of my decorations. Hold on. So, of course, you know, we have The Office playing because what else are we going to do while we're decorating the tree? But I got these really cute stockings from Christmas Tree Shop. Also, they have our letters on them. They're so cute and soft and Sherpa. And then these I got at the dollar store and I decided just to leave them up because I found them first. But yeah, this is like super cute. I love it. And of course, flannel. You already know. We're sticking to the theme. But I love this. So let's get on to the decorating.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Oh my god, I almost died. Oh my god, guys, was it worth it? Was it worth it?
Isn't there anyone who knows what
Alright,
Christmas
now
is all
time to
about?
change the pillows.
Is it running?
Yeah, all the pillows turned out so cute. Look at them. Beautiful. $12.99 on Amazon. Check that out. I'll pick that up in a second. We have the runner to replace this one that I got for Halloween. Well, I mean, you know, autumn, but that's over. But unfortunately got wax on it because if you know, you know. but it's gonna replace her because, you know, it's the seasons. But this one is so cute, and it's just like the skirt I have, how it's like tan and stuff. So that's cool because you could, like, you know, do either or. But I'm gonna keep it on this side because I like it better. This is so cute, and then I have the super cute frosted sugar cookie stand. This smells so good. Like, yes, love this. Alright guys, this is how it turned out. Everything is so cute and flannel. I love the tree decoration. Super cute. And then the pillows, love, matchy. And as you guys saw, that's super cute. I have to replace that over there, but love my candles. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a like. Subscribe for more content. They were so much fun. Like, honestly, I really don't even like decorating the tree, but this is my first ever tree. I really loved how it came out. Luke and I are about to take some pictures, of course, in front of the tree. Didn't get the matching PJs for nothing, but oh my god, like, everything is so cute. I feel like, you know, a little adult, my little apartment, cute, whatever, little Christmas decoration. Anyways. If you guys are in the Christmas spirit, let me know what your favorite part of the holiday is, because decorating is definitely my favorite. So comment down below what's your favorite thing, and keep on watching for the next video. Bye guys.
Oh, it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.